TikTok didn't make me buy this. Your mom did. This isn't an ordinary crystal lamp. This is the Crystalite Mystifier. It's a 2-in-1 crystal color lamp and a humidifier. We spent several years of blood, sweat, and tears to make the most perfect invention. Right in time for the holiday season. Not only does it clean your stinky farts and make your air fresh and clean, but it has so many pretty colors to choose from to make your house shine bright like a diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond.
It's the perfect Christmas gift. Get yours today.